3 ways to stay healthy while traveling, part 2. So I'm Dr. Krista. I'm a natural gut health expert, just here to give some friendly suggestions of how to stay healthy while you're traveling. So on the last video, we talked a lot about preparation and planning. And another thing you can add to that is planning for maybe some digestive upset, how to actually mitigate that, how to prevent it while you're traveling. So a couple things that you can always bring with you would be digestive enzymes, especially if you're eating food that you're not necessarily used to, whether you're in another country or you're with your in-laws or whatever it may be. Sometimes you need that extra digestive support. Help out your gallbladder, especially those holidays where you're eating maybe more things that you wouldn't necessarily eat all of the time. It can be helpful to just give some support to your digestive organs. Bitter herbs are another great thing to do. They're going to help to create more hydrochloric acid in your stomach so that you can break down food, also help your bile flow from your gallbladder. Both those things can be really great. They also support your liver. So if you can pick up a little bitters tincture, you can travel with them. They're less than 3 ounces. Keep them in your purse. And second benefit of them is they can help to keep sweet cravings away. So good thing to keep around. Other supplements that you could potentially bring with you to help while you're traveling. If you're someone who struggles with constipation while traveling, first of all, you want to stay hydrated, right? Plane travel is going to make us dehydrated, so you gotta drink more. I highly suggest it. If you can, even my toddler, I'll bring extra fluids, electrolytes, things like that, to stay hydrated. So that's a friendly suggestion. Another thing would be something like magnesium to help with bowel movements. So magnesium oxide or citrate can be a great thing in powder form or capsules. And then, of course, there's always fiber supplements. So those all can be great. Has anyone here tried fiber supplements or magnesium for bowel movements? How did it go? Did it work? Did it not work? Another supplement potentially is probiotics, just because you're in a new place, might be exposed to different bacteria on foods, just keeping your gut bacteria healthy. That's a great thing to do. And on the opposite side, if you run into any bacteria, viruses, food poisoning that causes a loose stool, then it's great to have some charcoal capsules on hand to help bind up those toxins if that happens. So those are some great things to do that I'd highly suggest. Another thing to just always be doing, but especially when traveling, when, we're not in our routines, is just that mindful eating, right? Making sure that you're focusing on your meal, you're paying attention, you have intention, right? You're thinking this food is going to nourish me, it's going to help me stay healthy, it's going to keep my gut healed. All of those good intentions will help the food digest properly versus feeling stressed or run down or freaked out that you're having to eat something that usually doesn't sit well with you. Really important to just have that positive energy, that gratitude going into your food. So if you want to hear part 3 of this series, hit subscribe so you can make sure to catch it.